Hey gang, I really love to get my face threaded, but sometimes if I'm traveling, if I'm busy, if my budget's tight, I resort to dermaplaning, aka shaving my peach fuzz. I really love this Chic Hydro Silk. They're disposable. I'm not an esthetician. I don't prescribe, but for me, I really love that they come with a cap if you're taking them traveling, and they are disposable. I have found that the best way to be able to trim the peach fuzz, aka dermaplane, and not get horrible breakout is to use a fresh razor only once, and to each their own, and then I put it in the recycle to dispose. And I'm telling you, if you have been sleeping on any of the Bloom kits, I cannot thank them enough. So if I am in the sun and I'm sunburned, or when I do the dermaplaning, anything I put on my face for like 3 days will burn like crazy because you have, taken away some of the protective barrier of the peach fuzz that's been on your face, but also the dead skin cells, which is why it makes products and our serums and our moisturizers really get to soak in nice and deeply. But for the first few days, I will always use the calming cleanser. It's so creamy. It cleanses without stripping, and you get a nice travel size, if you will. I do travel with these sizes, but I also, if you're new to trying the Bloom and you want to have kind of a smaller price point to try them, I would highly recommend it. And then what is crazy is it's actually called Skin Fitness. This is designed if you are someone that exercises a lot, if you do hot yoga, they're even doing hot Pilates now, or you're hot and sweaty, and then you exercise and go into work and you're getting acne due to the bacteria left on your face. This is wonderful in and of itself just for that. But for the sensitivity that I get in my face, I really like to use the spray. I usually just spray it right on my face, but for purposes of the video, you could use a cotton ball, but it is so soothing. It has a really unique smell too. It's got kind of a beautiful herbal smell. And so it's great to use in the calming kit. So if you have rosacea or angry skin, hormonal angry skin, I'm 52, filler and filter free, and all these products are 100% non-toxic, and they're clean products. If for some reason you also saw my previous video on the Moist Morning Touch Foam Cleanser, this one is another one that I have found. If you don't have the kit where you're getting your calming, where did it go? Where you're getting your calming cleanser, this is another one that I found that is really gentle and easy to use after I immediately dermaplane or the next couple days later. And then you go with a calming peptide. So if you've watched any of my videos with Bloom, you know that the trio of peptides I've been using for quite some time, and I love them. But after I have dermaplaned, I'm just too sensitive for a few days. And you might even see where dermaplaning, I'm not a pro or an expert, and so I got a little bit of a razor burn on the side of my face, and that'll go away in a day or so. But this calming peptide is incredible. It's just got this thick but gelatinous texture. It's kind of in between a serum and a lotion, and a little goes a long way. It just is glorious to put the peptides for healing back into your skin. It does bring moisture to the skin through the peptides. The peptides are just so good to calm and soothe. Again, if you have rosacea, if you get acne breakouts for any hormonal reason, I really would use whatever is left on the back of my hand so that I can really maximize its potential. And then I love to follow in with my Ultra Eye Peptide Eye Cream. And I'll put a little dollop of that on. I actually already have some on, so I'm going to use a little bit less. And these products, even though they're in a travel size, a little goes a long way. There are absolutely no fillers in this product, no junk, only things that the body wants and needs that bring us into balance. I also like to use my eye cream around my labial folds and my lip, so to each their own. Then it also comes with a luscious moisturizing mask. Now actually it'll come in this size, but this is the 2.5 ounce size, but this is what you'll get in your kit. This luscious mask is incredible. It is like a gel to cream in that you can use it as a mask and put it on the face at night. You can leave it on for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and then just tissue off lightly or with a damp cloth to steam the product in the skin, but then take off any excess. You could remove that. But you can also put it on at night or throughout the day. It helps to protect the skin's barrier, boost the skin's barrier, and you can just see how plump it makes the skin naturally. It really puts a lot of water and hydration back into the skin, but it's not greasy and grimy, and I just love it. So use code Erica to receive a discount and free shipping and try your Bloom Sensitive Kit today. I love these. I love the bags, and I hope you're enjoying your skin journey. Namaste.